the elephant.
I know, it's really cute.
No, I bought these.
From the library?
The shirt? No, for my haul. That is cool. I think it's like a neighborhood park. The sign says this way. You should not trust me. Oh, is that what people said? Could have warned me. These stairs are not great. No. Oh, okay. Elephant feet. 快到了. Not quite 到了. But my friend showed me a video that's like, okay. So deal with it. Five more minutes. I'm not. Supposed to be walking on the steps, but why are the steps more wet than this?
Yeah, I know. I'm going on it.
Caution. The cattle here are wild animals? The cows? Those things scare me. It looks like a horror movie.
There should be.
They're probably like hiding. Cause why in the world would they want to be out here?
There's stairs, bro.
I like the design.
So, are you into that pattern? Like the aesthetic one?
Yeah, one thing I've never heard of the castle and I was shocked.
Very. You see this in like New York.
Yeah.
It's okay. We got 9 minutes, I think. So, we got it.
I wonder why the lights like that. Like there's no cars.
It's okay. Tomorrow.
I like all the lights.
Yeah, me too. You'll be stuck in debt.
Sorry.